General Motors, a global automotive manufacturing company, incorporates cutting-edge technology to design and engineer both advanced concept and production automobiles. 10 key design centers and 8 engineering development facilities located around the globe are responsible for all GM brands and vehicle architectures. An intricate vehicle development process at GM combines world-class talent, leading technology and tools, and global processes into each program. Detailed examples of this work were executed in the electric network vehicles, or ENVI concepts, from the 2010 Expo in Shanghai, China. Three GM Advanced Design Studios in Southern California, Rüsselsheim, Germany, and Melbourne, Australia, and the GM Research and Development Center in Warren, Michigan, served as design and engineering locations for the ENVIs. Initially, teams collaborated on vehicle architecture packaging, competitive benchmarking, advanced technology and propulsion solutions, key demographic targets, and design themes. Each of the three design studios represented different design themes and vehicle personalities. Creative designers used a 2D design application such as Autodesk Sketchbook Designer to create, modify, and present digital sketches in a short time frame. The new 2D design application was recently introduced into global design centers. Creative designers crafted a personal experience for each ENVI. Through interior and exterior sketches, they represented in-use situations, demographic studies, graphic breakups, and component functionality. All of these 2D images were stored in a global database called 2D Digital Asset Manager, while interactive critiques used a unique image viewer called Media Workspace. Sketches were the mechanism that creative designers used to communicate design intent to digital sculptors and engineers. Teams used curve data from sketches, along with engineering packaging, as guidelines for the creation of 3D CAD data in applications called Autodesk Alias Automotive and Siemens PLM NX. In addition, clay models were created to further understand and evaluate vehicle proportions and surface transitions. Furthermore, clay models were then scanned and imported into Alias for refinement. The direct link between design and engineering data was achievable through Siemens PLM Teamcenter Automotive Edition. TCAE serves as GM's global engineering and design data management repository. As the 3D CAD data matured, surface continuity checks, surface evaluations, and quality audits were reviewed weekly in Alias. Next, 3D CAD data was used for interactive presentations, animations, and videos. These represented a photorealistic design execution of reflective qualities of surfaces, material texture, paint color variants, and lighting effects. These 3D visualization assets were created in powerful applications such as Autodesk Showcase, RTT DeltaGen, and Autodesk Maya, which helped increase creativity while reducing development costs because they emulated real-world use cases prior to the construction of working prototypes. A final design review displayed 2D and 3D assets, rapid prototype components, foam mock-ups, and clay models. Fabrication teams began construction on full-scale working models for all three ENVIs. 3D CAD data was exported to large rapid prototyping machines and 5-axis milling systems which carved and sculpted the primary components such as the base and seating compartment. Fabricators used exploded view cartoon diagrams which explicitly showed the construction elements of each piece. Soon the paint and trim shops finished the final touches. This entire process took place at the Warren, Michigan Technical Center. Prior to the initial global debut, vehicle information and images were embargoed by GM so that the media release could be made simultaneously. Excitement mounted as the drapes were drawn and the light bulbs flashed off the ENVY's vibrant paint and curved glass doors. News spread out rapidly among all media outlets, leaving an astounding impact in Shanghai and the world. Throughout the expo, long lines gathered waiting to see the ENVYs in person. As people passed through the exhibit, many dreamt on about the exciting future of personal urban automotive transportation.